cheeky chappies called sea strawberries, and they are part of the fall collection. And the fall collection is all about reminding you to keep the childish curiosity in life, to keep enjoying life, to add some playful fun in your daily encounters and engagements. The design for this came to me from the little enamel strawberries that you're going to see at the bottom. And you've seen another one of my designs from the fall collection is called Riddle Me This. It uses little glass chilies. Well, these are little, let me see how I can zoom in. These are little enameled strawberries. You can see how cute they are. And I love the way they pop against the greenness of the sea glass from the Rock of Gibraltar. I promised them I was going to say it like this, right? So I just have to keep remembering this. So they're really, really playful. I mean, there's no chance you're going to look at them and not feel like fun, frivolous fun. And then the little baby pearls that I also love using, they add that little sophistication, but not too much. So the combination of the strawberries with the little pearl droplets around it almost reminds you of strawberries and cream, a little bit of sprinkle of sugar. Just in time for Wimbledon, right? I promise you I didn't intend that. But yeah, I mean, they're little cheeky studs. They're beautiful to look at. They're really fun to wear. And hopefully, if you choose them, when you put them on each time, they will cheer you up a little bit more and remind you that in your own life, it's up to you to create opportunities to have fun, to see the bright side, and you can always choose. You always have that choice, luckily. If you like them, as usual, you know where to find me.